Okay, so, all right, Larry, what we did is we covered this with a piece of plastic over the back side of the valve by where the pump sits. We're just taking this and we're going to put it over the top of this 2x4. Okay, now let's go ahead and put that on there. This is gub oil in the little square hole where that check ball goes. Yeah, this in here. So bring it back over here. Okay, go ahead and fire it. Might have to go on the other side here. Let's go on this other side. I'm gonna lose it. More than that. We have more than that?
Yeah, we had. Do you want me to get the pressure?
As we get it on there, yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay, so see, Larry, we got over that governor port 16 inches of vacuum, so we know we're good there. Okay, and then what's the next one?
Here.
Okay, right here. This port right here. This is the next gub oil where the valve is. So we're pouring real good there, Larry. So that's those two ports. So then the next one is what one? This is this long one right here. This is next. Can you see that okay? Okay. All right, so that looks good, Larry. So that's all the ports coming off this valve body, right? Do we have anything else? No, everything else is drive 4. Drive 4, that's gov, and that's gov there.
What about this one here? Yeah.
Is the gov there?
Yeah, that's that one right there.
Okay. Which one, this one? Okay, so that other port, okay, it's looking good. Okay. All right.
Square one next to it's gov too.
All right, so we got gov here. Okay, that seals good too. So everything in this valve body looks like it's sealing, so I'll go ahead and shoot these off to you, and I think we'll go ahead and put this back together. So that's how we did it, Larry. But we did it. Lewis and Clark Trail, we did it. We reached the mountain and went over the other side. All right.